Economic news this morning showing still a very strong economy. Stronger than expected GDP, but more on that in a moment. The Dow up another about 1/3% today, right around 38,000. The S&P was up as much as about 30 points, still ended higher today for another record. And the Nasdaq traded in almost a 200-point range today, top to bottom. Now, for that eco data, GDP grew at a rate of 3.3% in the fourth quarter, much higher than the 2% expectation. But it was really a monster day for data as the PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, posted a quarterly gain of 2% excluding food and energy. That's right where the Fed wants it to be, and it shows that the fight against inflation seems to be working. IBM up almost 10% on earnings news, Tesla down about 12%, and Humana down about 15% at one point as health insurers were under a lot of pressure today. So far, about 20% of the S&P 500 companies have reported, 74% have beaten expectations. ES option data, and what a busy day for ES options today. Huge volume. Today's expiring 48.80 down to 48.60 puts. Over 60,000 of those each, and the 48.85 up to 49.10 calls, over 50,000 each. Tomorrow, ES at the money implied vol over 12%. It stays that high going out to next week, most likely because of the Fed announcement next week on the 31st. And Bitcoin futures volume, very muted today as it really settles in right around $40,000.